Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, I'll explain what the Instagram app is and show you how to use it to connect with friends, share photos and explore great content. Let's get started. Instagram is a popular social media app where you can share photos and videos, follow friends and celebrities and discover posts based on your interests. You can post stories that disappear after 24 hours, send direct messages and watch short videos called Reels too. Instagram is free and available on iOS and Android. To use it, first you need to go to your app store and download your app if you haven't. So search Instagram on your search bar at the top of your page, and then after this icon pops up, tap on that, then you have an install button right there. So tap on install and then open up your app. Once opened up, sign up with the email, phone number or Facebook account. If you already have an account, just log in. Then to set up your profile, go to your profile icon at the bottom of your page, tap on your profile icon, then you can add a profile picture right from here, write a bio and link your website if you have one. To explore the feed, go to the search icon right at the bottom of your page, then you can explore your feed, scroll down. Now to post a photo or video, tap the plus icon right at the bottom of your page in the middle, tap here to upload or post photos or videos. You can also post stories right from scrolling to the left. You can also post stories that last 24 hours and can include stickers, tags, drawings and music. Now tap the messenger icon to send private messages, photos or videos to friends right from the top of your page. From here, you can send messages right from here. You can also explore the home feed, scroll down to find. You can also explore home feed by scrolling down like this. Then tap on the magnifying or search icon right here to search for accounts, hashtags or topics and also trending posts. So that is all about Instagram, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. In the next video, bye.